Lay down. Oh yeah. Relax, son. Relax. Good. How's that? One right here. Relax. Can you put your arms down? Thank you. There you go. Nice and relaxed. Good. How's that? You want me to do side posture? Okay, side posture. Come here. There you go. Hang on. No, you gotta be on your side, remember? Yeah, just like that. That one's gonna stay bent. Good. The other side? Okay, face me. There you go. Just like that. Thank you. Good. Okay, now let's go face down. Okay? This way. Just like that. Bring your arms to the side. No, you can just lay flat. Ready? There you go. You gotta put your butt down. Let's turn you around. Let's do it anterior then. Okay? Cross your arms. Cross your arms. There you go.
Get your hand out your mouth.
There you go. Take a deep breath in. There. Good. All right, you're done. Pay up. Pay me. You want some more? That's it. You have to pay me. With a kiss.